Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to secure your crypto wallet with Ledger Nano X. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to secure your cryptocurrency with the Ledger Nano X, you must carefully follow all the steps discussed in this video. First of all, you need to simply set up your initial setup, that is the foundation of your security, which is to download the genuine Ledger Live software. Now, set up your device's new, create a strong PIN, and secure your 24-word recovery password. After this, you can simply confirm your phrases or passwords that are given and use the genuine check. Once this is done, move towards advanced security practices. Always verify transaction on your Ledger screen. Be careful of blind signing and set up passphrase. Losing your Ledger Nano X does not mean losing your crypto as long as your recovery phrase is secured. So, by doing this, you can secure your crypto wallet with your Ledger Nano X. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.